Chapter 4 Introduction to Excel 2016 Introduction to Excel 2016 A spreadsheet software is widely used in schools and offices. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application program used for organizing and analyzing data in a tabular form. It is a table of values arranged in rows and columns. One of the most popular spreadsheet software is Excel. It enables us to perform calculations on data in a quick and efficient manner. It also allows us to plot charts and graphs, which make it easier for us to understand the data. Features of Excel 2016 Excel allows us to sort data either in ascending or descending order. Excel has built-in formulas and functions to do calculations. If some data is in series, it can be quickly filled in the row or column using autofill feature. We can easily format the data in charts and graphs with the click of a mouse. Excel automatically changes the result if any values are edited in any of the cells. In Excel, data can be formatted in many ways to change the look of the spreadsheet. Starting Excel 2016 To start Excel 2016, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Scroll down to E and click on Excel 2016 or type Excel in search box next to the Start button and click on it. The Excel 2016 window appears. Click on the blank workbook. A new blank workbook will open with default name Book 1. Components of Excel 2016 window. The components of Excel 2016 window are Worksheet. A worksheet is a spreadsheet which is made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. When we open Excel 2016, a single worksheet is displayed. We can add more worksheets as and when required. An Excel worksheet contains 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Workbook. It is a collection of multiple worksheets stored under a single file name. An Excel file is called a workbook. By default, the file name of a new workbook is Book 1. A new workbook has only one worksheet called Sheet 1. Row. It is the arrangement of cells in the horizontal direction. Each row on a worksheet is identified using a number. The rows are numbered from top to bottom in ascending order, starting from 1, 2, 3 till 10,48,576. Column. It is the arrangement of cells in the vertical direction. Each column on a worksheet is identified using a letter or combination of letters. The columns are named as A, B, C, X, F, D. Title bar. It is the topmost bar of window. It displays the name of the current workbook and the name of the program. Minimize, maximize, or restore down and close buttons are located on the right of the title bar. Quick Access Toolbar. It appears on the left side of the title bar. It contains some of the most frequently used commands like save, undo, and redo. Ribbon. It is present just below the title bar. It consists of a number of tabs and each tab contains groups of related options. Name box. It is the box that displays the address of the currently selected cell in a worksheet. Formula bar. It is the bar next to the name box that displays the contents of the current cell, a formula or a function. We can also enter or edit data in the formula bar. Active cell. It is the cell that is currently active or selected. It can be recognized by its green border. We can type data into an active cell only. Status bar. It is present at the bottom of the Excel window. It shows the name of the selected command or status information. View bar. It is present on the right side of the status bar. It helps us to view the worksheets in different modes: normal view, page layout view, and page break preview. Sheet tabs. It is located at the bottom of the Excel window just above the status bar. We can switch between worksheets in a workbook by clicking the appropriate tab. Entering data in a worksheet. To enter data in a worksheet, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell and type the data. When we type the data in Excel, two buttons become active in the box to the left of the formula bar. Step 2. Click the Enter button on the formula bar or press the Enter key to accept the entry. To reject the entry, press the Escape key or the Cancel button on the formula bar.